highlighting the biblical mandate for honesty in all communication. Honesty is a core value that should guide all aspects of church marketing. The Bible emphasizes the importance of truthfulness and integrity in our communication with others. In Ephesians 4 verse 25, the Apostle Paul writes, "Therefore each of you must put off falsehood and speak truthfully to your neighbor." This verse encourages us to be truthful and transparent in our interactions with others. Rather than resorting to manipulation or deceitful tactics for promotional purposes, churches should focus on conveying their message honestly and straightforwardly. By sharing genuine stories of transformation and testimonies, churches can build trust with their audience. For example, instead of exaggerating attendance numbers or making false claims about the impact they have on people's lives, churches should highlight real-life stories of how individuals have been touched by God's grace through their ministry. By adhering to the biblical mandate for honesty in all communication, churches can build a solid foundation for effective marketing strategies that ultimately lead people closer to Jesus.